I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and opening Chrome so you can update Minecraft from the browser. First, sign into the Google account that owns the game. This ensures license access. Once done, make sure Chrome itself is updated via menu help about Google Chrome so downloads and web installers run correctly. Also verify extensions and download settings, allow permitted sites and disable blockers temporarily, because those can stop installers. Now you're ready to navigate to the Minecraft launcher or store page. Next, use Chrome to get the correct installer. Go to the official Minecraft page or Microsoft Store link and select the platform you use. Picking the wrong build wastes time. When you click Download, save the installer to a known folder and confirm the file size or name matches the page's information to avoid corrupted files. If you see multiple builds, choose the stable release rather than betas. After download finishes, don't run it yet. Confirm your system permissions and any antivirus prompts so installation proceeds smoothly. Finally, install and verify the update in a few clear steps. Run the downloaded installer from Chrome's save location, granting admin rights when prompted so files overwrite correctly. Once installed, open the Minecraft launcher and allow it to auto-update game files. Sign in if asked so your profile and world sync. Make sure to check the launcher's version number to confirm success. If something goes wrong, try clearing the launcher cache or reinstalling. And double-check firewall settings and available disk space as a key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.